Science, quarterly revision. Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 1 marks.
In the blanks. Tiger is a dash because it eats only meat.
Carnivore.
Deer eats only plant products and so is called dash.
Herbivore.
Parrot eats only dash products.
Plant.
The dash that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats, is an animal product.
Milk.
We get sugar from
Sugar cane.
dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D.
Rickets.
Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi.
Vitamin B1.
Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as
Scurvy.
night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food.
Vitamin A.
Plants fiber are obtained from dash and dash.
Cotton plant and jute plant.
Animal fibers are dash and dash.
Silk and wool.
The method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalk is called
Threshing.
when milk cooled after boiling poured in onto a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind on it. This process of separating cream from milk is an example of
Filtration.
salt is obtained from seawater by the process of
Evaporation.
impurities settled at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clear water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example is called
Decantation.
the presence of specific feature which enable a plant or an animal to live in particular habitat is called
Adaptation.
the habitat of plants and animals that live in a water are called
Aquatic.
aquatic habitat. The habitat of the plant and animals that live in a land are called dash habitat.
Terrestrials.
Soil, water and air are the dash factor of the habitat.
Abiotic.
Changes in our surrounding that makes us respond to them are called
Stimuli.
1 meter is dash centimeter.
100.
5 kilometer is dash meter.
5000.
Motion of a child on a swing is
Periodic.
the motion of a needle of the sewing machine is
Periodic motion.
motion of wheel of a bicycle is
Circles motion.
true or false. By eating rice alone we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body.
False.
Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet.
True.
Balanced diet for the body should contain variety of food items.
True.
Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body.
False.
Yarn is made from fibers. Yarn is made from fibers.
True.
Spinning is a process of making fibers.
False.
Jute is outer covering of coconut.
False.
The process of removing seed from cotton is called ginning.
True.
Weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric.
True.
Silk fiber is obtained from stem of a plant.
False.
Polyester is a natural fiber.
False.
Stone is transparent while glass is opaque.
False.
A notebook has luster while eraser does not.
False.
Chalk dissolve in water.
False.
A piece of wood float on water.
True.
Sugar does not dissolve in water.
False.
Oil mixed with water.
False.
Sand settle down in water.
True.
Vinegar dissolve in water.
True.
A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration.
False.
A mixture of powder salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing.
False.
Separation of sugar from a tea can be done with filtration.
False.
Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation.
False. True.
Match the following. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee
are all animals product.
spinach, cauliflower, carrot
or vegetables.
Lions and tiger,
Eating other animals.
herbivores,
Eating plants and plants product.
book,
Paper.
tumbler,
Glass.
chair,
Wood.
toy,
Plastic.
swoosh,
Leather.
Name the following. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body.
Carbohydrates.
The nutrients that are needed for our growth and maintenance of our body.
Proteins.
A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight.
Vitamin A.
A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy.
Calcium.
Name two foods each rich in. Fats,
Nuts, milk.
starch,
Cereal, mango.
cereals. Dietary fiber,
Pulses, fruit.
protein.
Soya bean, meat.
Find, add or not. Chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard.
Baby.
Rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus.
Boat.
Aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand.
Sand.
Sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate.
Copper sulfate.
Classify the following fiber natural or synthetic. Nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester, jute.
Natural fiber is wool, cotton, silk, jute. Synthetic fiber is nylon, polyester.
Name 5 objects which can be made from wood.
Table, chair, door, almirah, window.
Select this object from following which sign. Glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton set.
Glass bowl, steel spoon.
Given below the names of objects and minerals. Water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple and ether pitcher. Round shape and other shape.
Basketball, orange, globe, apple.
Other shape.
Water, sugar.
Eatable and non-eatable. Eatable,
Water, orange, sugar, apple.
non-eatable.
Basketball, globe, earther pitcher.
Arrange the following length in the increasing magnitude. 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1 millimeter.
1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter, 1 kilometer.
Which of the things in the following list are non-living? Plug, mushroom, sewing machine, radio, boat, water hyacinth, earthworm.
Plug, sewing machine, radio, boat.
Give example of non-living thing which shows any 2 characters of living things.
Car can move, it need oxygen.
Which of non-living things listed below were once part of living things? Butter, leather, soil, wool, electric bulb, cooking oil, salt, apple, rubber.
Butter, leather, wool, cooking oil, apple, rubber. Thanks for watching. Bye.